Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your Love Bite. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Oops. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, welcome back all my subscribers, welcome in newbies. If you enjoy the reading, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Join us, subscribe to the channel. And the first card I have here on the table for you, Aquarius, is the Ten of Wands in reverse, the Chariot, King of Swords, Ace of Wands, Six of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles, the Magician, Five of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of my spread, I have the Queen of Swords in reverse, which means somebody is very angry and very upset. In fact, I have an equal pair here. I have the King of Swords here and the Queen of Swords, which is the underlying energy of this connection. So yes, somebody wants to let go of some. This is a very imbalanced connection, as we can make out with having the King of Swords in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse. No wonder, center of my spread, I have the Six of Pentacles, which is a card of equal give and take, harmony, peace, in reverse. What's going on in this connection, Aquarius? I'm going to start with some angel blessing cards and then we'll start clarifying these. My angels, Aquarius and their person, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Okay, lots to say. The swords are itching to speak. All right, one more from here. They're really flying here. Okay. And let's take a few from here as well. Wonderful. Let's start our reading. Aquarius, the first card here says, I hate it when I communicate with you and you could keep the conversation going, but you shut me down. Can't you tell that I'm trying to get you to coerce it out of me? I want to tell you what's going on with me, but I can't just come out and say it. So big communication problems between the two of you as well. I can feel your frustration with not being able to express yourself to me. You're overthinking things too much. Perhaps you could consider writing things down to get some thoughts flowing on paper and clear your head. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of this pain, fear, and frustration, and you will see that then you'll see what I've seen in you all along. I have moved out of the energy of waiting for you. Instead, I've chosen to focus on healing myself. I haven't written you off entirely, but I haven't expected to hear from you either. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. Your love makes my day, my week, my month, my year, and my life. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with my heart, mind, body, and soul. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage now. All right, Aquarius, before I start clarifying this reading, I am going to take an angel blessing card to top this reading, see how my angels can help with a blessing, message, advice, or guidance. My angels for Aquarius, please. Yep. It's time to reward yourself. Instead of always trying to fix other people, Aquarius, it's time to give to yourself now. Give yourself a pat on the back. Buy yourself an ice cream today. You deserve it, my angels are saying. Okay? It's time to give back to yourself now. All right. So, yes, somebody doesn't want to live in this burden for the rest of their life. It's becoming too heavy now to carry. They are putting down this heavy load, not taking action anymore. They feel probably that their partner is a liar and maybe very rude and mean sometimes, and they just can't take it anymore. 10 of Wands in reverse and the Chariot in reverse, Spirit. 10 of Wands in reverse and the Chariot in reverse. Again, the Chariot in reverse is clarified by the Chariot in reverse. What more can I say, Aquarius? One more, Spirit. One more. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to invest in this connection anymore. They're thinking it's been a waste of time, effort, years. I don't want to invest in this anymore. The burden has become too much for me to carry now. Enough is enough. King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. King of Swords in reverse. Yes, they know they have to make a choice now, or live in regret and sorrow forever. It's not an easy choice to make. Yes, they'll think back at the past and think of how much time and energy has been already spent. But when they look back with a bit of sadness about how things were. And they've come to a point where they feel it's time that I need to make a choice now. What's this choice, Spirit? Yeah, to have a fresh new beginning, a stable, brand new beginning for themselves. They've lost the passion here. Ace of Wands is in reverse. Yes, this is the Queen of Swords again. Queen of Swords has some clarity. They know the truth. This is an intelligent person who's trying to use their head over heart now, and they're realizing that there is no passion left here. This has been an imbalanced connection. I've always felt left out and abandoned, in this connection, always. So what am I waiting for? Six of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Six of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, they never felt settled. They always felt unsettled in this connection. And I think this went on for so long that finally, with this Six of Pentacles being in reverse, after giving it a thought, I think this epiphany has happened that it's time now to blow up the tower, or a tower moment has made them realize something. Five of Pentacles, Spirit. Five of Pentacles. Yes, everything is now out in the open. All truths are out now, and they feel it's time now to get out of this place where I've been stuck in, always been feeling stressed out. Now I am going to tell my truth now. I'm not going to keep it within me anymore. That I've always felt like in lack in this connection. Somebody wants to break the chains now and speak their truth. Magician, Spirit. What's this Magician? Magician. Who's manifesting what now? But your partner, whoever this person is, talking to the feminine, I think the Queen of Swords, your partner hasn't let go. They're still trying to manifest you back here. They're still keeping a watch on you. They're spying on you. They're trying to find out when is the right time to maybe speak to you or something. But they are manifesting a reunion of this connection. Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Yes, they're looking into their future. They're looking into their future and waiting when is going to be the right time that I can strike here. And the way this person is, King of Swords in reverse, Knight of Swords, they are coming in to fight it out, it almost seems. They're just waiting for that opportunity when they can come and maybe say their piece. What's this spirit? The Five of Wands? What do they want, spirit? In actuality, what do they want? Yeah, in actuality, what this person really wants is, hey, can we start again? This is the message they want to send you. Can we re-begin the story? And can we work on this connection again and have this Ten of Cups of a happily ever after? They don't want to lose this Four of Wands, their stability here. They still see a future with you. Four of Wands, Four of Wands. Yes, this person is trying they will try, if they haven't already. This is a control freak, okay? They will try to their best to control your decision about this commitment because they still want this Four of Wands. This is a person who wants to dictate how things should go. One more, spirit, for the Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Four of Wands. Yeah, they don't care. They don't care what has happened in the past, what has happened in the past. They are not wanting to release you. They want to hold on to you. And if they have to fight to do it, they're willing to do that. And this is not a healthy fight to say, hey, I'll fight for your love. This is a person who says it's my way or the highway. I will show you your place kind of a thing because I have to win. And I can't lose. And if you walk away from me, that means I've lost. I think take your time before... One more, yes. This person is not sleeping well at night. Then they don't like defeat. And that's the reason they'll be coming in with this kind of behavior. This is very, very immature energy. They are feeling ungrounded at the moment because I think their partner is blocking them off now. They are still wanting to try one more time. But the whole point is they're not coming with love. They're coming because they are not emotionally happy and they want their partner to return back to them. Okay? So be a little mindful, be a little aware of this. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Pay heed, okay? Take love and light. Namaste. See you next time.